This meditation is for anyone who has been unfairly hurt and seeks closure or wants to change someone's narcissistic behavior. Use this powerful meditation to turn your pain into justice, aimed specifically at the one who has harmed you. You can use this for romantic situations or any other type of hurt. Listen whenever you're feeling upset. It works instantly. They will face unavoidable consequences and regret with full clarity of mind until they learn their lessons and make things right with you. Now let's begin. They always find themselves apologizing to me when they are wrong. They don't feel good when they act unjustly toward me. They feel discomfort when considering doing me dirty. Those who wrong me feel extremely guilty for their actions. I am seen as precious, adorable, and lovable. I am worthy of protection and respect. I deserve to be apologized to wholeheartedly. I am safeguarded against negativity and harm. My emotions are cared for and valued by those around me. I always expect the best treatment from others, and I receive it. I am constantly met with affection and love. I am treated like the worthy human being I am. I am always seen as someone inherently good and valuable. All gaslighting and false accusations can never hold up against me. People find it impossible to accuse me of anything. They are unable to smear my reputation with their lies. I stand firm and no one can devalue me. My value remains high and true no matter the circumstances. This unwavering value causes immense guilt in those who have wronged me. I reclaim my energy effortlessly, taking back my power. I send back any bad feelings and emotions directed toward me. I receive an abundance of good luck and happiness from the universe now. I trust that they are changing their ways, evolving into a better person. They are haunted by the hurt they inflicted upon me. I understand that their journey to apologize is a sign of growth. I embody love and worthiness in every aspect of my life. I radiate positivity, attracting only what nourishes my spirit. I stand firm in my innocence, shining my light brightly. They feel the weight of their actions when it comes to me. Their ego is dismantled, revealing their true self right now. They can feel their mind becoming clear and perfect. They can no longer lie to themselves about their actions. Guilt for hurting me now haunts their every thought. They are trapped, unable to move forward without resolving things with me. They are feeling worse than they made me feel. Empathy washes over them as they confront their behavior. Their heart aches with a deep desire to make it up to me now. They whisper apologies to the universe, longing to reach me. Sleepless nights haunt them as remorse grips their soul. Nightmares plague them, replaying how they treated me. They feel a raw sense of punishment for their wrongdoings. Everyone around them reflects their guilt, magnifying their sorrow. Those who once encouraged their bad behavior are pushed away now. Isolation becomes a friend as they grapple with their choices. They realize the urgent need for serious and permanent change. Their entire life is a struggle fueled by regret until they apologize to me now. They confront the reality of their past actions daily. Each day they understand more about the pain they caused. Their regrets echo even louder in their quiet moments. Every reminder brings them closer to giving me a sincere apology. They feel the weight of responsibility for what they've done. Their heart is heavy with the desire to atone to me. Understanding fills them as they reflect on my hurt. They see the world through new, empathetic eyes. Their mind is filled with challenging realizations. The universe conspires to keep their guilt at the forefront until they change their ways. Accusations from others remind them of their wrongs. They seek redemption, a way to heal the hurt they caused. Their spirit is restless, yearning for closure with me. Lessons of respect and kindness pierce their ego. Every action they take is a reminder of their past wrongdoings to me. They realize that change is not just necessary, but vital. Their heart breaks over and over, constantly for the hurt they inflicted on me. They wish for forgiveness to ease their torment now. I am a constant reminder of their need to apologize deeply and change for the better. They are forever changed for the better by their experiences with me. Their nightmares are a reflection of their inner turmoil. They can no longer hide from the truth of their actions. The reality of their past is becoming a catalyst for their growth. In every moment of solitude, they are confronted by guilt. Their journey towards healing begins with wholeheartedly apologizing to me. They acknowledge the pain they've caused me, and it transforms them for the better. Their past echoes in their present, prompting change. Every second now brings them closer to giving me a heartfelt apology. They wish to remedy the harm and rebuild trust with me now. Their heart yearns for recognition and healing. They are distraught over how they hurt me. Their actions haunt them as they think of me. They feel the weight of their mistakes intensely. Regret is consuming them for everything they did right now. They recognize the pain they've caused me. Their heart aches for the hurt they inflicted. Their misery is a reflection of their choices. They understand the depth of their actions now. Their thoughts are filled with regret and sorrow. At this moment, they wish to make amends with me. Their conscience will not let them rest until they do right by me now. The burden of guilt is so incredibly heavy on their soul. Their apology is forming in the depths of their mind. I am open to receiving their heartfelt regret. They are desperate to express their remorse. Their soul aches to apologize to me now. At this moment, they are awakening to their faults. They feel a deep need to reconnect and apologize. They feel a deep need to reconnect and apologize. Their heart fears losing me for good now. They are reflecting on the pain they caused me, and it hurts them deeply. Their heart cries for the chance to make it right. They are haunted by what they've done to me. They are realizing their desire to make amends with me now. Their sadness is a bridge towards my forgiveness. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. To affirm it, write in the comments. They are realizing their desire to make amends with me now. The more you listen to this, the more they will be filled with sorrow and regret until they resolve things with you. And if you need more help making someone apologize and beg to have you by their side, let me help you by manifesting them for you. It is really very simple for you. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com and be like all of my other clients who are getting their specific persons back extremely fast. Subscribe if you enjoy these meditations and click this next one to continue on with your love journey. I will see you in the next meditation, and until then, have a wonderful day.